Hi, I'm Dave.Salverson here at Guaranty RV fifth wheel toy hauler and camper lot. Today we're going to be looking at the Attitude. It is the 4028 DGF. It is the biggest Attitude made. It's all of 45 feet. Generator up front, wardrobe slide, bed slide on the other side, outside TV, triple axle. Let's go ahead and go on inside. Obviously you can see in here we got enough room to play with our rollerblades and a little hockey. You got 28 feet from the back all the way up to the fridge, big screen TV, plenty of seating for everybody, outside patio, sleep your entire family, haul your toys. If you can't fit all your toys in here, they better go get another trailer and come see me. So obviously you got your solid surface countertops here, your big oven. You got your burner stove with the backsplash, nice microwave oven, accents, very nice. You got your subwoofer all the way at the top, air conditioning throughout, and you even have your central vac, double door fridge. We're gonna head on up here. You got your display panels, your digital screen, your Zamp solar, your Gen Start, and you got all your slides for the bedroom here. Inside here, obviously, you got the bathroom. That's a walk-through bathroom, corner shower, nice bowl accent, faucet, porcelain toilet. You can go all the way in through here, either direction. You even got your surround sound up here, another AC, keep you nice and cool when you're out there in the summertime. Got another TV, king size bed in the slide, and then obviously the wardrobe slide, and then you got your electric fireplace that'll keep you warm even in the wintertime. Thank you, and come see me, Dave.Salverson, 541-968-8816. Thank you.